It's the North Antrim coast. Tomorrow it's Hollywood. And I think he's right, because you see the way these DVDs have been selling, and from the feedback that we begin, I think very soon it will be Hollywood next. And then it's down to Bangor and Donegal. Oh, seriously. And that's where we're going to take you right now. We're going to take you down to County Down. We're going to do a wee song called the Greyabbey Lassies. It's all about the wee village of Greyabbey down there. And that's just what they call it, Greyabbey. And we're going to feature these two young ladies over here. That's Diane and Emma. And they're actually part of another band that's been formed from the Ulster Scots Folk Orchestra recently, called the Youngerians. There's about a dozen of them. And this is the Hegians of the Youngerians. You can figure that out. And we're going to get Diane and Emma to take us away on the Greyabbey Lassies.
You never know, we might be seeing them girls from the X Factor very soon. Willie's been mentoring them. Willie's the mentor of the younger youngs. I think he fancies himself as a bit of a Simon Cowell there, you know.
Well, I'm going to retire in about another year and a half, you know.